Hi guys, my name is Joshua Poso and welcome to Inspiredfingers.net. So today we'll be dealing with an issue. It's a major challenge for most musicians out there. I myself used to be confused about this before, but I had to make my research, so that's why I'm here to share my knowledge with you. So I asked this question on a music group on Facebook that I created, and the name of the group is called Music Talent Showcase Group. It's a very informative, a very interactive group for musicians where you can share your ideas, ask questions and get help, and also promote your content. It's a very informative group. Please join the group, Music Talent Showcase Group on Facebook. Okay, it's a very nice group. So I asked this question on a group, how many keys do we have in music? And a lot of people said 12. And that was the answer I actually expected, because that was the school of thought I belonged to before. And some people also said some weird figures like 16 and all that. It was funny, but I just understood that there's no point of laughing because everyone is growing. We're all learning together, so there's no point to laugh. Alright, so even though I laughed, please forgive me. There's no point for doing that. Alright, so please listen to the question very well. I asked you, how many keys do we have in music? I didn't say how many major keys do we have in music, because you'll be probably right if you said we have 12 major keys in music. But saying we have 12 keys in music, in total, man, it's so wrong. Absolutely wrong. Why? Because each and every one of the 12 major keys that you do know of, they also have their minor counterparts. So which means we'll have 12 major keys and we'll also have 12 minor keys equally as well. So I know you know the major keys, but let me just spell it out again. C major, you have to call it major so that you specify if it's a major key or a minor key. Alright, so we have the C major, C sharp major, D major, E flat major, E major, F major, F sharp major, G major, A flat major, A major, B flat major, and finally D, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? 12 major keys. You're right to say 12 major keys. But each and every one of these keys you know of, these major keys that you know of, they also have their minor counterparts. You understand? And they're all written on the screen. But the major idea behind the stuff is to tell you, why do we say we have 12 relative minor keys? Okay, for each and every one of these major keys that you don't know of. The reason is simple, because, for instance, let's use the key of C major. That's the major scale of the key of C, right? So this key C. Now, the key of C has its own minor counterpart called the A minor. Okay? Now, the reason why we say this is a relative minor of the C major scale or the C major key is because they possess the same key signature. If you read music, you will see that this key signature, which is literally the number of sharps and flats that a key possess, are the same for both keys. Key of A minor and key of C major have the same number of sharps and flats, which is 0. Okay, they don't even have any sharp or flats in them. You understand? So if I spell out, if I play the C major scale right now for you, you discover that they contain the same exact notes of the A natural minor scale. So let me spell it out. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, right? Which is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, right? So they're all white, no black. Like I said, no sharps, no flats. That's the key signature. Alright, then for the key of A minor, the A natural minor scale goes like this. You understand? All white notes too. And if you check very carefully, I'm just starting from the 6th tone, the 6th notes of the C major scale, which is La, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La. You understand? So I'm starting from the 6th notes and ending on the 6th notes to make it the A natural minor. So they are all white notes. Alright, so you can see that it relates to the key of C major. Why? Because they contain the same key signature, the exact number of notes. So this also occurs for other keys as well. I can't break all of them out right now, but you can see all the minor counterparts on the screen for each major keys that we know of. Let's just take the key of E major, for instance. Sorry, E flat major. All right, that's do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, right? So if we start from this La, which is the C, so it even tells us that the minor counterpart of the E major scale, E flat major scale rather, is the C minor scale. That's the C natural minor scale. All right, so which means the relative minor key of E major is C minor. All right, so if we run it, that's for E major scale, but if we start from La and end at La, you discover that we have the same exact number of notes. So which tells us that the key signature, they're actually the same. So I hope I've been able to convince you that we have 24 keys, because we have 12 major keys and we have 12 minor keys. So all coming together is 24 in total. All right. So there's also another argument which might even make us to say that we have 30 keys, and this is because of the concept of enharmonics in music. I don't want to go into that today, but what does that mean? Like enharmonics, what does it mean? Like the key of C sharp can possess two names, like C sharp and also D flat. You understand? So music theorists argue that C sharp major is different from the key of D flat major. You understand? And the reason is because they have the different key signature, number one, and number two, by tuning, their frequency is slightly different, although our ears can't notice that because we listen to the relative or the closest frequency, you understand, for each key. You understand? So but I don't want to even go too deep into the theory, frequencies and all that, but this key has two names, which is C sharp or D flat. Understand? And on the music sheet, if you read music on the music sheet, C sharp has 7 sharps, while D flat major has 5 flats. You understand? Which are the black notes that you know. You understand? But each and every one of the notes of the key of C sharp major, you have sharps for each of them. Like this is sharp, that's C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp, and C sharp. Alright, but I don't want to go into that, but if music theorists, if they argue with you on this, it will even say, or it will make us say we have more than those 24 keys, and it will be total in 30 keys. You understand? So, but let's not talk about that. Let's stick with the 12. Let's stick with 12 disciples of Jesus. We have 12 minor keys and we also have 12 major keys. So I hope I cleared the air on this. Thank you so much, and stay with me. I'll also be waiting for your comments and your thoughts on this. Thank you so much. I love you.